Okay, so this should be working. So here we go. We're going to go through some problems together, um, and I'm going to get things done, and hopefully you get things done, and there we go. Let me double check to make sure that I've got sound kicking. It says I do, so there we go. All right, $44.04. By the way, we're writing the unit rate for the situation. So $44 in 4 days. So we divide 44 divided by 4. That gives us $11 per day. Remember, do not leave these without units. 12 haircuts in 4 hours, that's 12 divided by 4, which is 3 haircuts per hour. 256 heartbeats in 4 minutes, so 256 divided by 4, that is 64. Oops. Come on. 64 heartbeats per minute. We have 15 liters in 3 minutes. 15 divided by 3, that's 5 liters per minute. We've got 12 cans for 6 people, so 12 divided by 6 is 2 cans per person. 27 outs in 9 innings, so 27 divided by 9 is 3, so that's 3 outs per inning. 85 drops in 5 minutes. 85 divided by 5 is 17, so that's 17 drops per minute. We've got 36 divided by 12. That's 3 children per family. Got 360 miles in 6 hours. So that's 60 miles per hour. 18 bowlers on 6 lanes is 18 divided by 6. So that's 3 bowlers per lane. $28 for 7 people. So that's $4 per person. 100 books in 5 boxes. So that's 20 books per box. 24 cups, 4 people. So that's 6 cups per person. 320 liters in 5 bottles. 320 divided by 5 is 64. So 64 liters per bottle. That should just be bottle. 96 feet in 12 seconds. So that's 8 feet per second. 234 miles, 9 gallons. 234 divided by 9, which gives us 26 miles per gallon. Three-quarter quart per half ounce. So three-quarter quart, so 3/4 divided by 1/2 gives us 3/4 times 2 over 1. 2 goes up there, 4 goes down here. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. So that's 3/2 quart per ounce. 12 pounds for every 10 servings. So that's 12 divided by 10, which gives us 1.2 pounds for every serving. All right, so we want to go from 4 to 1. The way that we do that is we divide. 4 divided by 4 would equal 1. So we're going to take 10, the number on top of the 4, and divide 10 by 4. 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. So this number here will be 2.5. Now, to go from 1 to 7, we would go 1 times 7. 1 times 7 is 7. So we're going to take 2.5 and we're going to multiply that by 7. 2.5 times 7 gives us 17.5. Up here, we're going 5 to 1. So we go 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So we're then going to change the 3. We're going to have to do 3 divided by 5. And just to keep things simple, 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. That's not too bad of a decimal to work with. To go from 1 to 12, we'd multiply. So 1 times 12 is 12. So we're going to go 0.6 times 12. So 0.6 times 12 is 7.2. Down here, going from 2 to 4, that's multiplying by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to go 1 times 2, which is 2. Then 1 to 5, that's 1 times 5. So then we're going to take 2 times 5. And then we go from 1 to 8, so that's 1 times 8 to get to 8. So then we go 2 times 8. Which is 16. All right, then we got this, calories. So we're going to have to start here. 80 to 1 is 80 divided by 80 will equal 1. So we're going to go 1/3 divided by 80. That's 1/3 times 1/80th. That is 1 over 240. So this right here would be 1 over 240. Now, to go from 1 to 240, we would just multiply by 240. So 1 times 240 gives us 240. And so then we go 1 over 240 times 240 equals 1. And then now we just need to change from 1 to 2/3. So I'll change color here so that we can see this. This would be 1 times 2/3 will give you the 2/3. I'm going from here to here for those of you. So then there we go. We're gonna go from 240 back to here. So we're gonna go 240 times 2/3. And that would be 160. All right, we're going to find out whether these rates are equivalent. I wonder if that to just speed things up. There we go. 17 heartbeats in 15 seconds. So we go 17 divided by 15. 17 divided by 15 gives us 1.13 heartbeats in 15 seconds, whereas 68 divided by 60, 68 divided by 60, that's also 1.13 repeating, so this is yes. We're doing 96 miles in 4 gallons, so 96 divided by 4, it's 24. We're then doing 380 divided by 15. That's 25.3 repeating. So this is, no, they're not equivalent. Over here we've got 9 divided by 1/2. That's 9 times 2/1, which is 18. Then we have 6. Ooh, this is 20 minutes. Now 20 minutes, we have to remember 20 minutes is 1/3 of an hour. So 6 divided by 1/3, that's 6 times 3/1, which is 18. Then we've got, and so this is yes. Then we've got 2/5 times, so I'm going to go ahead and divide 3/10, so that means divide by the reciprocal times 10/3. That's a 1, that's a 2, so that's 4/3. Versus here we have 5/2 times 5/1, which is 25/2. Those are not the same, so that's a no. All right. So you received 9 text messages in 12 minutes. What's the rate of text messages per hour? 12 minutes, you need to know that there's 12 out of 60 is 1/5 of an hour. So we're looking at 9 text messages in 1/5 of an hour. So 9 divided by 1/5 is 9 times 5. And so we're looking at 45 text messages per hour. You studied 14 hours last week. What was your rate of hours of study per day? A week has 7 days. So that means that we're looking at 14 divided by 7, which is 2 hours per day. So you spend 2 hours studying per day. In a charity walk, you walk at a rate of 100 meters per minute. How long does it take you to walk 2 kilometers? Okay, so you walk 100 meters per minute. And we want to know how long does it take you to walk 2 kilometers. So we have to know what 2 kilometers is compared to meters. Well, 2 kilometers is 2,000 meters. So to go from 100 to 2,000, we just divide 2,000 by 100. 2,000 divided by 100, and that gives us 20 minutes. A deli sells a sandwich spread for $6.40 per pound. How much do you have to pay for 24 ounces of spread? So we've got to change 24 ounces into pounds. That means we're looking at 24 ounces. There's 16 ounces a pound. So 24 divided by 16 gives us 1.5 pounds. So we're going $6.40 per pound. And then we want to change this to be 1.5 pounds. So the way to change from 1 to 1.5 is by multiplying by 1.5. So we're going to go 6.4 or $6.40 times 1.5. That gives us $9.60. Here we go again. We start at number 31. You run 3 miles in 24 minutes. What's your average rate of speed in miles per minute? So we're looking at 3 miles in 24 minutes. That can be simplified down to 1/8. So you can run 1/8 of a mile per minute. That seems really fast. So you can buy, I mean, it's an 8-minute mile, so yeah, it is kind of fast. You can buy 3 sandwiches for $4.95 or 4 sandwiches for $6.72. What's the better buy? So we're going to go $4.95 divided by 3. We're going to find out what this is. $4.95 divided by 3. That's $1.65 per sandwich. Over here, we're going to go $6.72 divided by 4. So $6.72 divided by 4 means that we're looking at $1.68 per sandwich. So the better buy is the 3 sandwiches. So 3 sandwiches is best buy. You can buy 20 ounces of cereal for $4.40 or 16 ounces of cereal for $3.68. So let's find out which is the better buy. $4.40 divided by 20. That's going to give you $2.20. Or $3.68 divided by 16. Oh, yeah, this should have been 22 cents. Whoops. Because 4.4, whoops, divided by 20. There we go, that should be 22 cents. Whereas the other one we saw was 23 cents. Because again, 3.68 divided by 16, 23 cents. So the better buy, 20 ounces is best. So last but not least, dishwater detergent is sold in individual packets. You can buy packets of 20, a box of 20, 60, or 90. So we're going to find the unit rates for each of these. So $5.49 divided by 20. $5.49 divided by 20. We get, I'm going to write out the whole number just in case I need it. We're going to go 1097 divided by 60. That's 0.1828. I'm just going to take it out to there. And then we're going to do 1895 divided by 90. We're going to come back and touch up each of these numbers in just a moment. 895.95. That gives us 0.3158. Okay, now I can touch them up. I just needed to make sure that they weren't like super duper close. This right here is 27 cents. per packet. This is 18 cents per packet. And this is 31 cents per packet. And so because of that, which one's the best value? The 60 pack. So you want to buy the box of 60 packets because it's cheapest. There you go.